How to fix can't log into Amazon issue. Let's get started. Launch your Amazon app or also you can head towards the Amazon login page in the web version. Now, go ahead and check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forget Password and go through the process to recover it. If you are using VPN or proxy, try disabling it as these services can sometimes interfere with Amazon login process. Next, try logging in on a different browser or device. If the problem is specific to a certain browser, switching to another one, example Safari or Firefox, may resolve the issue. Likewise, go ahead and check the server status of the Amazon. For that, you can head towards the website like Town Detector. Then go ahead and check the server status of Amazon. If there are any issue, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Also ensure your internet connection is stable. Give a fresh restart to your router, likewise try switching between networks. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete Amazon app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on it, click on delete app, click on delete. Once you delete this app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Amazon and download it. By following the steps, you should be able to log into your account. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.